Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Choice Review. Today, we're diving into the world of microwave ovens, specifically for those who are on the lookout for the perfect kitchen companion but haven't quite decided which one to go for. We've rounded up the top 5 microwaves, and I'll be breaking down their features, pros, and cons. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your kitchen, let's jump right in. Number 1. First up, we have the Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet microwave. Now, if you're looking for a microwave that's both stylish and powerful, this might be your pick. 1100 watts for quick and efficient cooking. Pre-programmed sensor menu for popular dishes. Eco mode and mute function for added convenience. It's got a sleek stainless steel exterior, making it a modern addition to your kitchen. The pre-programmed sensor menu is fantastic for hassle-free cooking. And the eco mode? Well, it's a game changer for energy-conscious users. Number 2. Next on our list is another Toshiba gem, the 0.9 cubic feet microwave. Now, if you're dealing with limited kitchen space, but still want power, this might be the one for you. 900 watts, perfect for residential use. Stylish black stainless steel design, eco mode, mute, and child lock for added safety. This one's compact, but packs a punch with 900 watts. The black stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance, and features like eco mode and child lock make it family friendly. Number 3. Moving on to the Toshiba M1315CB is a sleek and spacious option for those who love to cook up a storm. 1100 watts for versatile cooking. Smart humidity sensor and 12 auto menus. Eco mode and mute function for enhanced user experience. This one's all about precision. The smart humidity sensor ensures your dishes come out perfect every time. Plus, the eco mode is a thoughtful touch for those who want to save on energy. Number 4. Now, let's talk about the Black Plus Decker M031M11 digital powerhouse that's sure to catch your eye. 1000 watts with 10 power settings. Pre-programmed buttons for popular foods. Child safety lock for added security. This one's all about ease of use. The pre-programmed buttons make cooking a breeze, and the child safety lock ensures everyone stays safe in the kitchen. Number 5. Last but not least, we have the comfy M720SPPLPM, a compact yet reliable choice for those with limited space. 700 watts with 11 power levels, mute function, eco mode, and one-touch express cooking. Safety lock for added security. Compact doesn't mean compromising on features. The mute function and eco mode make it user-friendly, and the safety lock adds that extra layer of security. There you have it, folks. Our top 5 microwaves for beginners. Whether you're into stylish designs, energy efficiency, or family-friendly features, there's a microwave here for you. I hope this guide helps you in making the right choice for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that like and subscribe button for more kitchen insights. For more information, visit my description box. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching.